Ciao la Scuola community and la Scuola friends. My name is Valentina Imbeni and I'm here to thank you for your support at our La Dolce Vita Gala. Whether you came or whether you volunteered or whether you supported us from afar, I am so grateful. This year we raised over $600,000. This is the largest amount we ever raised. And a lot of this will go to support our sliding scale tuition fund and to make La Scuola affordable and accessible to every child in San Francisco. I am so grateful that you are supporting our organization. We are a place where learning is joyful, and we really hope that we will be seeing you next year and in the future. You're always welcome here, so come and see us if you like. And I look forward to seeing you again in 2023. Ciao, ciao.